Hey crazy dev, today I'm going to show you a killer screen pattern that I use in my projects. Today we will create a step or screen that will transform the way establishments create appointments in our system. The main functionality of the system in a smoother and more attractive way for the user. At the end of the video, you will know how to break down all this information into just 4 steps and divide the code for each step, making it a small component that's easy to maintain. The first step begins by collecting the customer's information using an autocomplete input. I will show that now. It's the screen that will have the first step for the client where you enter the client's name and an autocomplete appears like that of Uber or 99. You enter the phone number and move on to the next step, which is selecting a professional service. Then, in the third step, you select the date, choose the time, and click the next button to confirm your appointment. There you go, how nice. When you click confirm, it confirms the appointment and goes to the next screen. This is the lesson for today where we will learn in a completely detailed way. Here is the detail of the appointment. How nice. The appointment is already confirmed. So from a responsiveness standpoint, you won't be left hanging if you come here to create the appointment on mobile. Enter the client's name, select an existing client just to give that test and show the phone number. Then select the professional service and it's easy to choose the date as well without any issues and the available time. Add a note here with the area code, confirm the appointment, and this screen is amazing. This is super lesson 54 of CrazyStack, React.js. This system is getting really awesome. And now we're going to dive into the code, my friend. That's right, everyone. You can't miss this opportunity to stand out and create a screen that no one teaches in the market, my friend.